Here I'm doing my initial cleaning with some wax and grease remover. We'll clean them again with some alcohol and tack them off before we paint them. I realized I had a little bit more room for a few more small parts. I'll put them in there or place them in there as well. You guys will see that. We'll clean them off and get everything painted up. So I'll speed through the clips so they won't be so long, and we'll get these things painted and looking nice. So let's get started. Okay, I'm pretty much set up with majority of the parts. Still got some trim to paint for the look I'm going for. And we're gonna seal everything first and some base, and then we're gonna clear it. But everything has just been cleaned with some wax and grease remover. Gonna do some alcohol or probably some spray with glass cleaner. This is what I'm using. Caught a bunch of these boxes on sale for like 10 bucks a box. So I grabbed a bunch of these. And these are really nice. And they're reusable. And I bought a bunch of gloves too that was on sale. So I'm good on gloves and rags. Just cleaned off with some, in this container is wax and grease remover. So I'm gonna do some cleanup now. Probably gonna use this next or some alcohol. And then we're gonna tack it off. But yeah, got everything floating. Everything is floating, ready to go. Got the spare rim. That's all nice, ready to get painted. This turned out really, really nice. Really nice. A lot of work went into saving this hood. More parts. This is for that lower ground effect kit that was on one of the Mustangs I was lucky to get. The hood scoop. This is the gas cap. Valance. All original. So all these are original parts. Original valance. Original bumpers. These are nice bumpers too. Went through a lot of work to get them where they're at. This is part of that lower spoiler or ground effect kit. Original spoiler. Original chin spoiler. Original bumper. So these are all OEM parts. All of them. It should turn out nice. So I'm gonna clean them up again. And yeah, we got a lot of room in here to work with. Oh, got these hanging. Just scuff these up. These are painted really nice. Just scuff them up. And just ready to just go over them again. Might as well paint them with the same black. Not sure what black the other painter used, so might as well make everything one uniform color. Yeah, but ready to go. And the temperature got a nice few days coming up, so that's where we at right now. And it's about 50 outside, so humidity way down. So making the final. Oh, the header panels here. This is already sealed, really nice. This is sealed on here already. Just moving to the side because it's been sealed already. So this is just waiting for base. This is ready for base. Got some dirt on it. Some dust from sitting up, but this turned out super nice. All right, we're gonna leave that to the side. So let me do some one more clean, and then we're gonna tack off this thing and get ready for paint. The remaining parts we have to paint is over here. Got a piece of trim right there. That's the rear window trim. This is the only thing that I'm altering on this car, is kind of blacking it out. With the exception is the door handles, because they're gonna match the wheels, and the grill. It's still gonna kind of look like this. Hopefully it should come together. I got backup everything. I got multiple sets of these bezels in case this don't work out. So some stickers that was from the 70s that I'm trying to save, that was on the car. Gonna make them, gonna put them back on there. It was on the car. And yeah, we gotta paint this, and we're gonna redo this over. These were on here, so we're gonna put those back. And we got the new under the hood thing there. All that's already painted nice. I'll see how it look if I decide to paint it over. This has been painted by the previous person who painted the car. But yeah, we pretty much kind of go with this stealth look in the front. That's my goal for this. And the car only has 51,000 original miles. All the interior is mint, all original. So just trying to make it back like it was. And also just put, it had original decals on it, so just go back with decals. We're gonna put this on too. So squeegee came with it, but got multiples of these. Just trying to have it laid out so it can be already flat. It was curled up in a tube, so this should be good to go when it's time to install them. But yeah. Here I'm getting my gun settings corrected so I can apply the first coat of sealer. I chopped this section of the video up so it can look as if I'm applying one coat of sealer, but I applied 2 coats of sealer just to move things quickly. Then we'll be applying base. I call Urethane just to see what the wait time will be between the sealer and the base. They told me just let it sit up for about an hour before I base it, and then I can clear it after I base it. But I let it sit up for about an hour after I base it as well, so I can clear it without any issues. I know it probably would have been fine, but yeah, we're gonna seal it, base it, and clear it all in one video. Just get these parts pretty much done, and I'll move everything out and flip the hood over and kind of mask underneath it off and paint that. That's coming up in a separate video, as well as me doing some more things that I'll show you guys I did. So yeah, let's knock this out right now. Here I'm just tacking it off so I can apply 2 coats of base. I did that off camera. The next shots you'll be seeing is me clearing it. Yeah, but I didn't want to just show everything. But yeah, I applied 2 coats of base after applying the 2 coats of sealer. So when you see me spraying, it'll be clear. And then I'll show you guys afterwards how it turned out. Evening, let's go in here, spend a couple hours since I start painting. Let's turn this fan on. Even plug the light on. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's see how everything look. Oh wow. Before we take a look at the parts, I paused it here because I want to note, as you guys seen in the previous clip of me tacking off before I applied the base, I did pretty well keeping things clean when I applied the sealer, and the base getting next to no dirt, if any dirt at all, in the paint. However, I did notice after I based, I seen some dust circulating around in the booth, and I should have sprayed some water on the floor right then and there because I did so well. And without me not doing that, I did get kind of an excessive amount of dirt in some of the panels, although they turned out really nice to me. But I've taken care of that already. You guys will see in the next video. I removed all the dirt, and everything will look amazing when I'm done. But just want to note that you will see more dirt than I wanted to get in these panels doing clearing, and I should have sprayed some water down when I saw the dust. I changed the filter out, and I had some decent ventilation in there. I just should have changed the filter out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Everything looks super nice. So the next go round, we're gonna be painting the header panel and all the little pieces that I need to paint. Just didn't have no room for this. This is sealer on here right now. Yeah, everything turned out. Looks amazing. Looks amazing. All right. Spare wheel over here glistening. Lay down that clear. Lay down that clear.